shit exclusive.
Beatbox, official. Ayy, who the fuck this nigga think he is? I'm finna make him do something. Don't pay a nigga no dollar, nigga. This Drake gon' make him beatbox. It's a whole lot of beef. All these lying ass niggas, they be talking through their teeth. You thought I was gon' make him detox? I make him beatbox. 2 drums, 2 sticks, nigga. Make him run a block. Hey, pants down, cut a man down. That nigga black lion, waterfall, neck be so ice, cut you freezing. I think I gotta run a block with his bro. Let's spin the block, shoot his ass, come back to our block and drink a cup of shots. Go back out, shoot another block and another one. I'ma snow one.